See, in microeconomics, generally that MR curve and MC curve intersects. Okay, so when the MR curve or MC curve intersects, so we need to find out that at what price. So at what price the MC and MR curve are equal. So for example, mathematically we can come to know that, for example, if you take this kind of question may ask in the UGC net. Okay, so given MC is equal to 40, MR is equal to 100 minus 4x. 100 minus 4x. Okay, the value of x is it means that, for example, generally in our microeconomics, when MC is equal to MR, right, or MR is equal to MC, no problem, MR is equal to MC, it means that when the two curves intersects, we can get a price levels, for example, right? So here when the MR is equal to MC, so how much the price value? It means that x value. For example, here we need to find out the x value. So when they are given the MC value, MR value, we need to find out the x value. So here, see, what is MR value here? 100 minus 4x. So is equal, it should be is equal to 40, right? So here, see, 100 minus this plus 40 comes to the left side, it could be minus, that is the 40. So is equal to this minus 4x, if it comes to the here, the right side, it could be positive 4x, right? Then 100 minus 40, how much you will get it, Amma? 60 is equal to 4x. So when x is equal to 60 by 4, so if you cancel, how much you will get it? X is equal to 15. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So simply you can substitute the values also. For example, if x is equal to 15, the MC is equal to 40, MR is equal to 100 minus 4x. See, 100 minus 4 into x value, how much? 15. 100 minus 4 into 15, 60 is equal to how much? 40. So therefore, here you can easily understand, see that MC is equal to MR. So MC is equal to 40, MR is equal to 40. Okay, is it clear?
No, sir, come again, please. This MC.
Yeah, please. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for example, I think you are better in microeconomics. You are very good in microeconomics. So when you are studying that concepts of cost analysis, so generally the MC curve and MR curve will intersect, right? So when the MC curve and MR curve intersect, so we can get some values. That is the P values, right? Price values. So we need to know that at what price the MC and MR curve will intersect when they are given the equations, right? So we need to find out at what price. Now, x is nothing but you can take price also, P, nothing but you can assume, or you can assume a y also, no problem, instead of x. So we can assume anything. Okay. So that's why we can take the MC is equal to MR or MR is equal to MC. We can take MR is equal to 100 minus 4x. So that should be equal to MC value, that is a 40. So 100 minus 40. So for example, this 40, if you take to the left side, it becomes to minus value. Okay, minus 40. So this minus 4x, if you take to the right side, so that could be positive, that is the 4x. Okay, so 100 minus 40, 60. Then you can take 4x. So then in order to get the x value, you can take x is equal to 60 by 4. 60 by 4. You will get, when you cancel in 4, 4 15 is 60. Okay, you will get x is equal therefore, if you want to know that whether MR is equal to MC or not, so for example, we can take the values of MR. Okay, so that is see, this is the MR is equal to 100 minus 4x. So we can substitute the x value in the MR. That is 100 minus 4 into 15. That is the here x value is equal to 15. Whatever we got it, right? So simple, you can substitute the values. 100 minus 4 into 15, 60. Then 100 minus 60, you will get it 40. So here that MR is equal to 40. And here MC is equal to also 40. So therefore, we can write MC is equal to MR. So when MC is equal to MR, when X is equal to 15, it seems the price is equal to 15. When the price is equal to 15, the MC curve and MR curve going to intersects each other. So that value is, the price is 15. Is it clear up to now? Yes, please. Sir. Yeah. Real
No
means
doubt.
Afrin.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah, Anil Sagar.
Yes.
Anita.
No doubt, sir.
Anusha.
No, sir.
Anusha.
No, sir.
Have you understood? Ardhamainda?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Divyasri, Jasmine.
No, sir.
Have you understood?
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Krishnaveni.
No, sir.
Have you understood? Ardhamainda?
Sir. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, Muben. Hafiz. Muhammad Hafiz.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Amala. Amala. And who is there? Raviraj, Prakash.
Yes, sir.
Urmila. Vandana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. If you understood, okay, I will close the session. At the same time,